Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a logo to your videos on CapCut PC and I guess not get affected by the effects you have. So for instance, you have this video and you went to effects and you added in, like, for instance, this Betamax filter on top, and you don't want it to affect your logo at all, so add it like on top of the rest of your effects. So select import and select the logo. Where did it go? I just saw it. Yeah, I'm just gonna import this one and just add it on top of your videos. Just gonna resize it and just going to put it to the right-ish. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding to this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!